Andy Obi, I have from the data. You has him here, but 2 years. A brand new one power. So we a bear man, as a what the fuck, what the what is so. Maybe Baba, what it. But it is so I give it to what you know. No go feel it, no go, feel it. It's what I mean. No go feel it, no go, feel it.
Understand music.
I be the mastermind, if you play me, I go show you. Be my tune, I'm sing. Me let you my sing. Ebe mara mi nyejuma. Me de margin in yansa ne pesika. Adwene na tija wate. Simi ebe 2 years. A brand new one power. So we a bear man, as a what the fuck, what the what is so.
You wash am?
I wash am.
What's up? You for wash am again?
Can't they go wash? The washing machine.
Now, Anna! They are not there. Nobody's here. Portia, I got something to discuss with you. To be honest, I got something to tell you. You know, besides discussion.
How you know? I start you.
Listen to me. I see say you want this job.
Hey, I get that. I'm not going back.
Yeah, I find some. To be honest with you, as I was coming from 400 meters away from here, my mind was roaming about in my head, thinking aloud. Thinking about what? About me and you. How we can survive here, make money. And I can assure you, I came up with some idea B. That idea, we are going to be rich. This strategy, I see say, we go make am. We are about to be rich.
Money, crow. As you they can, I did my peace territory. Your ideas, they are cooked up of mischief. Nothing better if it doesn't involve you robbing someone getting shot, or the police. No, nyawo. Money, no. Your idea, carry what can go again. Nah.
Listen to me, Portia. This idea is called time changes.
Time what?
Time changes. Let me tell you, I am an I-read person. Yes. Yeah, I was all about knife, a tool, America, police demo. But this time, cool down for Jesus. Because this time, it's new level. The level be say, people are smarter than what we are thinking. It no be gun matter. It no be police.
Sir.
This business, all I need from you is to keep your mouth shut.
Only that.
Take a look or go with me in my journey of thinking. Be with me, be with me.
That's what I see. Yes, sir.
You are collecting bribe from people, even your own superiors.
Never mention that word. Never ever.
No, bribe. The only thing we did, we only took mobile money.
AKA Sole.
And that is very small. In spite of all my warnings, you are still on the streets misbehaving.
As for misbehavior, there is missing us. We have not misbehaved in a very long time. We are very sorry. We don't do anything, sir.
I don't believe you because I contacted him myself.
Sir, let me tell you, that man tried to bribe us. He tried to give us bribe. And we said, no, we won't take it. Sir, in fact, that word bribe, it's not in our dictionary.
No.
We stand by our reputation. We never take bribe. We've never taken bribe.
As a matter of fact, it was because we decided not to take the bribe.
That was why he got upset. And put that call to you and called you to complain.
He has videos and recordings to prove that you had wanted to take bribe from him. Sir, this one is serious. I am going to write for your termination. Oh. Sir. Sir, please.
Sir, please, we didn't take bribe. The whole thing was, it was an experimental process.
Exactly.
We wanted to experiment and see how bribe taking is like. I've never held bribe.
Never?
No, I've only read it on
You know the thing they say about police, that police will take bribe, and we just say, okay, let's just experiment it and check how it works. That's why I gave out my number.
If I make this call, your case will be serious.
This business I'm about to blow, I'm about to tell you, I'm about to face, I'm about to make it a reality, is going to make us billionaires. Have you imagined people in the traffic thinking that they are disabled? The people that we think, most of them, they are not. Look, we are going into the traffic.
Money, I don't get you. This is your foresight, this is your vision. I know they see. I they try travel plus you, but I know they see. What did they talk?
Look, inside traffic there are people selling ice water, minerals and all that. We don't get time for that. But there are people there where people think say they are sick and then they sympathize with them. Have you thought of how much the disabled, the blind people, the sick people, how much they make daily? Listen, I am ready to recruit young people. People that are already, looking like sickless, to go to the street. Some are going to be blind, some are going to be cripples, some are all type of sickness. Infondosocomiasis.
Some follow map na elo draw na. My peda kanya there. One would change a plan was stress as na obi ba 10 pesos, 20 pesos. Or na face it, wow, but them way draw on a peda the far. That's where you want us to go to.
Sir, please, sir. Sir, please. Sir, I see my case is even more serious than the call. Because I have 5 children, 10 sisters, 16 brothers, and 12 grandmothers and grandfathers. And 4 girlfriends, sir, I cannot afford to live without a job. They all depend on me.
I have 12 sisters. 3 work on your call. Half of my brothers, I call 4 choir, my daddy and my father always say, I also take after him. But my whole basa, my whole 35. Say, I swear, if you give me this job back, I'll go and look for all my kids and I'll be a responsible father. I'll look after them very well. No more bribe money. I will never take bribe again.
I don't care the number of family you have. Just leave my office.
Sir, it's John, though. Yeah, I don't want to take it.
I am going to write for your termination. Yes.
Sir, it's not my fault, it's John. John has me to give up my daughter.
Why message by the man to the one told me to take the bribe?
If I make this call, your case will be very serious.
Sir, the call and this is a serious case. The money is still in the wallet.
When you come me who are begging mommy, I
leave my office.
Multiply 50 pesos times 500 people every day. 500 people should give you 50 pesos. And you know, be say be 1 person or 2 person. I'm recruiting about 20 girls. 20 girls, boys and girls. Them dead the street. Imagine say every day they can make sales 50 Ghana.
The money,
even 20 Ghana safe. All I need you to do is to shut up. Buy exercise book and pen. Come sit down. Every day, all you need to do, take my sales for me. 50 Ghana, 100 Ghana.
Muni, you should say that be all we go do.
That be all. Because look, I want to make this place comfortable. If not, I want to get the money, we move out of here.
If you know be today, I don't know say you get sense. Ha! Muni.
Go ba fair, me fair ready. Ba, what fair together? Bona no ninjo.
Ina nini ochong.
That's all.
Hey Muni.
Give me fans.
Hey Muni. You do all. Empress Muni. Goddess Muni. Muni. What's up? Basama. Wasawala.
Congratulations. I know you're brony dear. Now coming back to my motherland is me mamu amo, me mamu akwaba, momo semo. I am very, very, very happy to see you today. You are the finalist. Audition me ya no, mona mako next level, more passing, more idea. I thank God for your lives. Now this business we are about to do, all I need from you is sincerity, faithfulness, truthfulness. That's all. Adult music. Now for somebody to think this kind of thinking, I went far to think like this. You are going to share yourself. Choose your partner. Select yourself. Choose. One blind, one lead. One blind, one lead. Now, I know how this job, it could be difficult sometimes. Going round begging for money is not easy. It's not easy at all. So the sales, I make them small. 50 Ghana. Whether you like it or not, you have to bring that 50 Ghana. And may I take this opportunity to introduce my secretary to you? This is the secretary. You pay to him, you sign, you put on date, then you go home. Now, location, you share. Every traffic light, I have my employer there. Every traffic light. Dole traffic light. La Paz. Dakoma. Kaneshi. 37. As for traffic light there, it's plenty in Accra here. You understand? Plenty traffic lights. This very time is blindalization. Next time we go to crippleization. We are getting blind this trip, this term. Say blindalization.
Blindalization.
Next time is crippleization.
Crippleization.
Good. I beg you, I don't want trouble. Chop make a chop business be this. Anybody get trouble? Anybody get answer or question to answer?
Big Mama, you know you talk say if we go we get 50 Ghana, make it can give you. So like me, I go I get more than that. I feel chuck the other one and give you the 50 you want to know.
Hey!
Of course, when you make more than...
Am I the entrepreneur? Am I not the speaker yet? Are you the speaker? Now, white man.
But you know you talk say it be 50 Ghana. So like I get like 200 Ghana. I feel pocket the 15 then give you the 50. I mean you know.
Hey, shut up! Shut up! The thinking that went into this business before you guys are on board. No. Do you know the fasting and the prayers? Listen, white man. I like your color, but I don't like your mind. Your thinking, I don't like. You make 200, bring the 200. You make sales 50, the 150. I'm human being. I consider we share that 150. It not be bad business. Oh, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? Yes or no, white man? Yes, Thank you. Give me 5. Thank you, white man. So, one thing I want us to discuss too is about the location. Once the location you all know more, the target base is an upper to a rear. And then you relax till you mre, then you go back to your post. Any question?
Mama, sorry you. So location na yeni fra wom no. Scan shadam ba. E betumi bie yeni na nka ntente ma ya pe be fufura kwagina nka. Ye dia piska.
Who baby when you wakwamu? Why do you have a partner? You are trying to tell me, say, if this location is not good for you.
Me scanning ba.
Scanning ma open system. No. You know, we are doing this thing with barcode. Security there inside. As I'm thinking, if I know say you did La Paz, when I hear any giddy for La Paz, I can look for you and save you. So if you leave La Paz, you go there, Kuma, and there's a problem, you face your own problem. You got me? Yeah, ma'am. Listen to me. One important thing I want you to know. To be able to make my sales, especially my sales, the 50 Ghana, no. One strategy I want to give to you free is that you don't target the trotro. Them, oh my hot chem. You target the big class. You yourself, look at that Chad and Mauritania children. Do they like trotro? No. The children, they target big cars with number plates, big number, current one. I beg you, don't go to any U or Z car, or S or T or R. The least you can go is maybe 12. And again, I think some of you have to change the look, especially the mesh people. You have to disentangle or remove of the
Disrentangle.
That disrentangle, and then you leave your natural hair.
Your nervous is very simple. You just have to breathe in and breathe out. It's very simple. Let me show you. You breathe in and breathe out.
Oh, you Chris? You did Chris!
Sorry. That's by mistake.
Oh!
The breathe out section is
John, no.
It's not my fault. But see, that's the whole trick. But can we move forward? I'm sorry.
I even go buy shirts. I go buy shirt.
You went to buy shirt?
I bought 2. You're my brother.
One for me, one for you.
One purple. Now the purple is my own. I'm starching it. By the time I enter the interview, they spread enter like this. We have the job.
I always tell you, you don't use it. You don't use it.
What?
You bought 2 shirts. What are you using 2 shirts for? It's very important to smell nice whenever you approach or you enter into a corporate office. So they will smell you and give you the job.
But I always smell nice.
How you? Have you ever smelled nice in your life? Smell. Are you okay with it? If you're okay, I'm okay. You smell like a rotten Kobe. Do you know rotten Kobe? You have to smell like. That's why me, I used my money to go and buy perfume.
You want perfume?
Yes.
God.
But I don't have a shirt.
I'll give you one shirt now.
I'll give you perfume.
John, my brother.
Farouk, my boy.
My brother from another
my boy.
Brand dear one power. So you bear man as a what the fuck what to what is Bimbo Boba but it is so I give it to what you know. Look of feel it. No feel it. It's what I mean. Look of feel it. No feel it.
Random music.
I be the mastermind. If you play me, I go show you. Be my throne, I'm sing. Me let you my sing. Ebe mara mi nyejuma. Me de margin in yansa ne pesika. Adwene na tija wate. Boy see yansu ye pray wate. Udi see ya metu. Adwuma ni diwa ubesu. Yatoche wa ubahunu. Yes, Shama wa ubasu. Obi Antony collection. Want to collection. Want to collection. Look for Fioe. No, Fioe.
Mcbrown is more.
Check scan. Check ni who here nyane.
Gane. Yenye skebia. Yanko madam one konya account.
Wo ka se nipa be sheda ka se na ni afra na da foma na. Check scan na me hu ne me ho.
Na wo ka se is se me medu echi se ni free worker.
Wo mo ade ahun. Agete. Wo na wo ye genuamuni na mma na ye genuamuni o. Genuamuni no no e hwan. What do you say? Your brain is like your height. You are thinking like your body. You drink to say honam. Hey, genuamuni who so you see?
Me mpeka so wona see me.
Who so you see? I see you dey adwin kese ato. Wo dey check na me hu me the plan bi ba.
You dey plan here then. Plan here then.
Me say check me.
Yonko.
So you be man as what the fuck what the word is. Me boba what but in the so I give it to what you know. No go Fioe. No go Fioe. Get to me. No go Fioe. No go Fioe.
Random music.
I be the mastermind. If you play me, I go show you. Be my tone, I'm sing. Me let you my sing.
Something small, boss, something small. Boss.
Yes, Shama wa ubasu.
Ezekiel Amankwa.
Boss is blind.
Ezekiel Amankwa.
Boss is blind.
Who's blind?
He's blind.
Do you know him more than I do?
From childhood.
From childhood? Which childhood? Do you know me?
Dixon.
Now you call me Dixon. You the social criminal life, so you know. Relax for where? You didn't see. I stand to it up. See your eyes. If you be blind, then me I be cripple.
Hey, take the money, then come.
See what you do yourself.
Give me 2 cedi for inside.
But auntie money.
Forget money, meet me for the chop bar there.
Chop bar. She blind, but you know how they chop for chop bar.
Hey,
everyday criminal things so you they do. Why? Walk you for where?
Hey, Dixie, be your life this.
My life this.
You dey drive car.
You never be serious. Every day you dey play. I dey drive car.
People will give me money and take me go the car inside.
It be fucking knife at the drive. Don't stop wasting my time. Listen, take my call. Call me. When you receive your healing, call me.
Hey,
what is
Dixie,
this?
that.
Oh, go in.
Hey, this is too much. Hey, one lie I go call you. Hey, Dixon. Yeah, Dixon, I go call you. Hey, if you this. Hey.
Some girls with big daddy. I say a word for bunker. Penny better we dey run things like bunker. Yes, soon ya man quieta. Oh yeah, boni passe pompo. Somebody make you hustle.
Tasha.
Money.
Where's my money today?
What money?
Today's sales, of course.
No one has brought any sales.
Obi, am I?
No.
The girls do no come.
Lie.
What do you mean they no come? Maybe it's after 5, it's 5. It's after 5.
Obi and Chuni see her day. One back.
Nobody brings this.
No one.
Ha! My God. No, this is not true. This will not be true. Hey, you are chewing already. You are sitting down, relaxing, chewing already too. Labor long time, I can't tell some more Juma after 5. They should be here by 5:15. It's more than 5:30. No, I'm sensing something. I'm sensing something, Portia. I need money. Hey, I'm talking to you. You are chewing this. Huh?
Money. Masa. You came, you met me in my office. You said you are the boss. I'm the secretary. I'm in my office waiting for them to come. What else do you expect me to do?
Give me.
Bring me, she got killed.
Eradi da wasi area bri. Ye peja fufu e de ba onyankopon anim. To be on the safer side. To be on the safer side, obi ama nsa so. Ye bompai. Obi ama nsa so. Ye bompai. Eradi da wasi. Amen. Ye nyane say de bia anke ye pepa. Nanso wankasa unim. Eni ti empa bo ne se eradi. Ye kogina kwaun de SSSK. Eradi me nya ne bebre. Amen. Me nya ne bebre. Eda ye nye skampo na nya ne yedi bedi fufu ati say ye. Amen. Ye se ne o pe ye say ye bia na eradi. Eradi mane ho garida. Amen. Yehowa mane ho garida. Amen. Empo ni o ti ye ntama o pe ye say ye no Jesus. No be kwa ti ye to ache muni. Yehowa o ho garida kra mane hwengu. Mane hwengu. Na mom ye di no. Ye stress asafo eradi. Wankasa boy ye ntumi ni ye. Amen. Amen.
Yes, and yeah, but too high. A brand new day, one power. So, you bear man, as a what the fuck, what the what is you. Maybe Boba, what it. But in the store, I give it to what you know. No go feel it. No go feel it. It's what I mean. No go feel it. No go feel it.
Understand music.
I be the mastermind, If you play me, I go show you. Be my throne, I'm sing. Me let you my sing. Ebe mara mi nyejuma. Me de margin in yansa ne pesika. Adwene na tija wate. Boy see yansu yempre wate. Udi see ya metu. Adwuma ni diwa ubesu. Ya toche wa ubehunu. Yes, Shama wa ubesu. No go feel it. No go feel it.
Muni.
I need money. You are telling me what?
Muni, calm down.
You are the secretary. Do you pay any bills in this house? Huh?
Muni, I'm doing the job you gave me.
Where's the exercise book? Where's the exercise book?
I'm waiting for them. No one has come here today. Muni, calm down. Calm down. Yesterday was a good business day. They all came around. I'm waiting for them. Obi and Ben.
I am feeling it.
Muni, give me my sugar cane.
I'm feeling it. No! Somebody want to be smarter than me. Me, Muni. Me, one and only Muni. Me. When I see that somebody want to cheat on me like that, he pay me. I want to die myself. I want to kill myself.
Muni, calm down. You are overreacting. Calm down.
My instinct is telling me something.
Your instinct is wrong.
And I believe it better than the moon and the sun. I mean, better than the president. I believe my instinct. Better than my MP. Better than anybody apart from my mother.
Calm down. And stop talking about the instance and all that.
Look. I feel that somebody is cheating on me.
Yesterday, they were all here to make accounts for what they made. For you know, today is a bad market day. So they are staying a little longer to make up for the losses they made during the day.
Yes. Hey. I am sensing it. I am sensing.
I said, "Oh, come."
You. I thought I was in this business with you. I thought we were in this together.
There she goes again.
And money is not in you, and you are not even crying with me. You see that I'm about to cry. Let me see your face. I mean, getting closer to my own. Try, modify it small. Your face is straight like that. You don't think of me. I'm in this house. I pay all the bills. I pay all the bills here.
It is only 5 o'clock. They will come. Give them to at least even 6 o'clock.
Why are you defending them? Why are you defending them?
People, you chop your mouth inside your set. Me, I get some mind way. Me, as I did the sign inside, the sign they scotch me one side where the thing hit my mind. But I said no. As we chop finish like this, where we all we make up here. I for drop the bomb, make we see no, it be good thing. The way I cross Chad border, cross Nigeria, enter Benin, then Togo. Before I reach Afla, come here. I for no wait, make a wait, put somebody pocket inside. People, you understand? Muni say make to give them 50 Ghana. So like today like this, we all we make some make like you like this, you make 20 Ghana, you make 50, 70, 80, me like this, I make 100. You bab. So we go take the 50, go give money. Then the one way it left for you Paul go come put for my day, make a hold. You understand?
True talk.
You say what?
It be welfare. So say every time I will close her, we go get something chop. The rest of the money make it day my day. You understand?
Yes, I understand.
Make it day my day.
Hold on.
I love you in it.
Hold on. Maka say ye Jimmy na tete ya no. Ye hu ye nim de kosoro. Se muni no ye try say ba gigi ye hu afi ne ho no. Ye scan wi a ye de 50 koma muni a. Ne de aka na brew.
Well of course come me.
Na say nya two masters. Na say nya bad. O ka say Jimmy na tete ya no.
Hey, Magaji, I don't mean.
Don't Magaji me.
What's your problem? Why say anything I go talk behind you get my laptop?
Where na money kind no? You say you lock your color, but you know like you are brain.
Magaji, you know how I cross chat.
You are thinking like
you know how I cross chat the former.
Yeah.
You what you are talking sensible. You talk your brain like your cat. Jamie na make kabin shalo ni say of no kana mi shot. Or say of no kana mi shot.
Abeg. Mumienu era mudi ye kan. Tese money ye mpanimfo. Muna mutu a na de ne yetiem. Business yi mo na mama direction ne akaka. Nti mudi adwen abai. Tese ye be ne den.
See, this is the plan. As you guys are talking, this is I make quiet. Because the argument they do be some zonto argument. It be simple. You work, we all work, we keep our money. Simple. You know they take give anybody. And they like, okay. That be all. That be the plan I get.
Thank you.
Why? You know they agree?
No, brother,
hey, make we go.
Why? Be me then you go to audition. I know.
Go. Hey, see in color like your love.
Because you know why?
Now why? I get it.
Guy, now only the babes they enter, they come out. This is the fourth girl. Oh, how are they doing this thing now? Sister, please, can you smell my perfume?
What perfume?
Oh, the one I'm wearing. You know, oh, can't smell. She knows. Yep. Why are you boosting your body odor on the girl like that?
How will you call my perfume, my cologne body odor? Use it. This is perfume. Please, can you smell mine?
Your perfume, it's fake.
I sprayed it 3 days ago, so it will ripen and boost the smell. You can't smell it. I'm sure you have catarrh.
So, are you also here for the interview?
Interview? No, I'm here for the job.
You are mistaken. This is the queue for those going for the interview. Yes, those who have the job, I think they are the workers working here, so you can ask. They will show you. This is for the interview section. Why? Oh, sorry.
So I'm here for the job.
Sit here for long.
Next.
Sit there. What's wrong with you? What is wrong with me? We are all going to this room. You are coming to sit here. So when the best person comes, the person will come and sit here. You sit at times. This time it's common sense.
I thought you said there was no food for us to eat this morning.
There's no food. Of course there's no food.
There's no food. You've gone to buy food and you're hiding here, eating it alone. Moon, is this what you call sister love?
Oh, but damn. What do you mean? Can't you fast? Listen to me. You go. I'm just having a quiet time.
I'm not going anywhere.
Handy Obi, I have from the data. You guys in here, but too high. A brand new deal, what? So, you bear man, as a what the fuck, what the what is so. Maybe Baba, what it. But in the store, I give it to what you know. No go feel it. No go feel it. It's what I mean. No go feel it. No go feel it.
Understand.